welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Indian sweet dish and it's called Gajar Ka Laddu. So guys, it's making from the fresh carrot and milk and nuts. So this is very easy and quick recipe. It's not takes long time to cook. So let's begin. So for this recipe I have got fresh 1 kg carrots, 1 cup of milk fresh, mixed nuts 1 handful, cashew nuts and pistachios, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 80 gram dry milk powder, cardamom powder half teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of the ghee, and coconut powder. So coconut powder is little bit roasted coconut powder. If you like to use the white one, you can use it. So first we need to peel off the skin. So after peel the skin, I'm going to wash. So you can use the peeler as well. I'm very comfortable with the knife. So I peeled the skin and washed and I drained the water properly. So next I'm going to blend it like this. So can you see the guys like that? This is the thick size. So this is the thin size. You can do any size you like. So I grated already. It's already gas on. Then I'm going to add the ghee first. Let it melt down. We don't need to make very warm. Just let it melt down. Then you can put straight away the carrot. Then I'm going to add the carrot. Make the low flame. Stirring up, and it will become natural water, so we have to dry all water as well. So first we need to dry all water before we add the other things. So after 5 minutes cooking, then I'm going to add the milk and sugar. Then mix it up. Gas. Keep stirring up. So after 2-3 minutes cook, I'm going to add cardamom powder. Then stir it very well. Then cook another 10-15 minutes again slowly. So guys, you can see milk is reducing, milk and water reducing, and you can see the carrot quantity also reducing, so we have to keep stirring in the middle. Smell is amazing already, so make sure not burn in the bottom. We have to wait till the milk and water dry completely. Almost milk and the water reducing. I cooked already 10 to 12 minutes already. Next I'm going to add the nuts. Then stir up. Lid on. Then I'm going to cook again. Then next I'm going to add the coconut powder. Mix it up very well. and water completely dry. So in the very end, I'm going to add the dry milk powder. Then I'm going to fry in very slow gas. Then I'm going to mix it up very well. Mix it up till the all milk is now mixed with the carrot. Then we have to cook till the ghee separated. But as you can see, is water and milk completely dry. You see here, no water at all. So we have to dry completely, so we can save at least in the freeze, at least we can save 1 week. If you not dry the milk and water properly, it will go off within 3 or 4 days. So guys, I'm going to gas off, then let it cool down, then we make the shape, the round one. So guys, it's cooled down, so I'm making round shape. So first I have got ghee, melted ghee. I'm going to put in my hand for a stick. Little bit, not too much, so we can stick together. Then I'm making this size, then making round size. Round shape like that, so it's done, finished. So I'm going to garnishing now. So I'm going to put some cashews on the top like that. This looks amazing. Pistachios, crushed, little bit powdery. Then I'm going to put like this. You have to press little bit. Then I have got coconut chips. Then I'm going to stick as well in there. So guys, this is the final look. You must try this recipe. This is very easy and delicious recipe. You can easily cook at home. So when you're expecting guests, sometimes, especially we can't find sometimes Asian sweet shop, so you can make yourself at home. So thanks for watching my video. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.